Today, I will show you how to create a new account on Dogsix. The Dogsix app in 2025 is still mainly an online activity tracker, designed for parents or guardians who want to keep an eye on the digital habits of their children. Begin by downloading the Dogsix app from either the Google Play Store here or the Apple App Store. I have it installed. Once installed, open the app. In here, you need to sign up by just simply typing your name right here and adding your phone number. When you enter the phone number, click on Add Number and Dogsix begins monitoring that contact's online status. You can then set up custom notifications so the app alerts you whenever the person comes online or goes offline, as you can see these ones. Reports and analytics are also available, showing activity patterns over time, which can help you understand daily habits or usage trends. You might need to decrypt the WhatsApp number to see all the WhatsApp chats. Because the app is subscription based, full tracking features often are locked until you choose a subscription plan. Many users report that you'll need to pay before you can track more than one number or unlock real features. If you run into bugs or the app doesn't open properly, common fixes include clearing the app's cache divided by data or reinstalling the app. Be aware that while the app promises real-time tracking, user reviews sometimes report delays or inaccuracies, so results may vary. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.